Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we got a very special show for you. Today we're going to do my mother's great meatballs. We're going to do the meatballs that my mother used to make. How you say meatballs in Italian? Polpette. Polpette. You know, the lady at the deli calls me Mr. Polpette, which means Mr. Meatball. I don't know. I guess, is that a compliment? I'm not sure. But you know what? My mom, she used to make the meatballs a very special way, and we're going to do it exactly again today. And then she used to fry them. Now, 90% of the time she fried them, but 10% of the time she baked them, but most of the time she fried them. So today we're going to fry them. My daughter-in-law, Kenna Jo, she bakes them all the time, and they're very good. No matter what you do, you're going to love them. So stay tuned. Watch how we do this. It's very simple. And remember, I'm Mr. Polpette. Ciao, stay tuned. enjoyed that. Remember, I'm Mr. Popete, which means meatball. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a finishing touch there so you have a little presentation. Here's a little trick for you. You're going to love this part. So what I do is I take my plate like this, I take a little olive oil like this, and I put a little bit of olive oil like that on the plate, on the edge. And then I take it and I wipe it and I go all the way around. Just like that. And you wonder, why is he doing that? Why the heck is he doing that? Well, I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, I put this over here like that. Then I take my meatballs and I put the meatballs right here to Mr. the Popete, just like so. And then I get myself some sauce, a little bit of sauce, and not this. And then I just go ahead and I just put it on it just like this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Does that look beautiful or what? You know what I mean? Then I'll put this over here. And now, I'll show you why I put the olive oil on. Okay, now I'm going to take a little parsley, and I'm going to go around the edges. And see how that sticks to there? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. You'll love that. And then the finishing touch, of course, is a little Parmesan cheese. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, just on the top. Just like that. Can you get in there? Can you see it okay, guys? Can you see that? Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Yeah! Vito'sItalianCucina.com. Thanks for joining us this week. How to make mom's meatballs. I'm Mr. Popete. Ciao for now.